Should you buy the Itel P40? Well, it is the latest P series Itel device coming at a price of 59,900 naira or roughly $80. And for that price, what does it offer? By the way, click on that like button since it helps more people to find this video, and that subscribe button as well since we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Cheers! The Itel P40 is made out of plastic, which is the favorite build material of choice for entry-level devices like this. It is a 4G device that sports 2 nano SIMs and a memory card slot that supports up to 512GB of storage. Up front is a large 6.6-inch 720p IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, so no high refresh rate here. And the display being 720p in resolution means that it is just okay for content consumption, nothing exceptional. On top, in the water drop notch is a 5-megapixel selfie camera, more on that later. On the software side of things, the Itel P40 ships with Android 12 Go edition, which is a lighter version of Android for entry-level devices like this. It also has its own custom skin, which is similar to HIOS or XOS from Infinix. It's pretty much a lighter version of that skin too. Also, for the best experience, I will advise you to install lighter versions of heavy apps like Instagram and TikTok. In terms of performance for devices in its class, the Itel P40 is just what you would expect. It runs on a 28nm Unisoc processor with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of storage. There's also 3GB of virtual RAM for the 4GB variant. Now, I would say this: never buy a smartphone because of the promise of virtual RAM. In reality, it isn't as effective as you would think. Powering the Itel P40 is a 6000 mAh battery. It is the major selling point of the device. And as Itel claims, you can get 3 days of light usage from the device. And if you're a heavier user, well, you should be able to get 2 days comfortably. And when you need to juice it up, well, it is capable of 18 watts fast charging. Still, charging times could take upwards of 3 hours. Camera isn't the strong suit of the Itel P series. The Itel S series is more capable in that regard. The Itel P40 has a dual camera that consists of a 30-megapixel main and a QGVA camera capable of 1080p video. I don't see anyone getting this device to be someone who uses their camera a lot. Simply put, do not buy this smartphone if you care about camera quality. Instead, you should buy it if you want a backup device, you want to gift an elderly one, or you just want a device that works pending the time you'll be able to get a more high-end device. So if you fall into this category, then the Itel P40 is probably the best smartphone or best new smartphone you can get right now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.